Come with me, I want to introduce you to some of our services and meet some of our docs and practitioners. We have 5 highly trained and effective practitioners on our chiropractic team, most with advanced training in specific chiropractic treatments and specialties. So whatever the problem, we will be able to match you with your preferred treatment approach to address your immediate health concern, optimize your body's function, and get you back on the road to good health.
Hi, I'm Dr. Cumming and I'm a chiropractic rehabilitation specialist with a special interest in acupuncture. Acupuncture is a very effective treatment in conditions such as headaches, neck and arm pain, and low back and leg pain, in addition to a myriad of other health problems. The combination of chiropractic, acupuncture, and rehabilitative exercise is very valuable in terms of maintaining and regaining health.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Harrison and I work as a certified athletic therapist, a chiropractor, and certified body talk practitioner. I also incorporate a wide variety of techniques into my practice, including craniosacral therapy, visceral manipulation, myofascial release, and body talk. As a healthcare practitioner, I feel my role is to empower people to help themselves to heal on all levels.
Hi, I'm Dr. Carrie Cochran. I'm a chiropractor and an occupational health nurse. My areas of focus are on extremities and correcting postural patterns. I do a global assessment on my patients and I use a variety of tools, including Graston technique, myofascial release techniques. So if you're suffering from plantar fasciitis, knee pain, hip pain, shoulder problems, tennis elbow, come on in for an assessment.